What is going on, guys? I want to talk about some things that no one tells you about when swapping out the 10, 11, 12 tail lights for the 13, 14 tail lights. First thing, these things look awesome though, don't they? They're just a lot more of a unique tail light look than the ones that come on these cars. The thing I think pretty much everyone is aware of is the 10 through 12 tail lights. See how they kind of come down at the bottom and back up, where the 13, 14 is more of just straight across. So there, if you just put this tail light in, there is a gap here at the bottom. To fix that, Raxium makes just a little trim piece that attaches to the bottom of the tail lights to take up that gap. Issue number 2, and this is the biggest one I've run into, is when you buy 13, 14 tail lights new from the dealership, they come with this harness. There's a plug here that runs down to the actual harness on the car. Now, this is different than on the 10 through 12s. What I found is Ford does not sell this harness. It's only about a foot long. If you buy taillights, it comes with it. That's the only way that you can get that harness. So I picked these up used. They didn't have the harness because the guy kept it for his new lights. So what I've had to do is actually source all the parts to be able to build my own harness. What we've got is an 8-pin connector that plugs in to the light itself, and the harness on the car is a 10-pin connector. So I'm going to have to make a jumper. This will plug into the light, wire it all together. This one will plug into the harness on the car. If this is something you're interested in and you need one, hit me up. I can build these, so shoot me an email and I can give you a price. Get this panel out of the way. Got 3 studs with nuts on them. I've already taken them off this light. But you can see this runs through, plugs into a 10-pin plug-in through a grommet to out here. And of course, these older lights have the individual light bulbs rather than the LED like the 13, 14. So you can see we've got 1, 2, actually 3 different plugs in this. So you can tell the harness between the light and the harness on the car is different. That's the harness I'm gonna have to build. So here's the completed harness. Got my 10-pin on this side. My 8-pin to plug into the tail light there. Turned out pretty good. Over here we've got the 13, 14 style. Here we've got the stock tail lights. Especially on a car like this that's dark, it's dark blue, all the trim, plastics and everything are all dark. I really do like the way these tail lights fit on this car. Side-by-side comparison. There they are, all installed. I think they look pretty good. Hopefully that information will help some of you guys out. There was a lot of information that I just couldn't find anywhere, so that's why I wanted to do this video. Once again, if you need one of those harnesses, hit me up. I can build you one. See you guys next time.